Oh! No, I'm just kidding. Boy, it's a nice day. Chicks, y'all look good. Good deal. Hey, Zeus dog, where'd you come from? All right. Hang on just a second. Wait a minute. Man, I got an idea. Hipper! Sawzall! Thank you, sir. I appreciate that. Why don't I make some rings out of this bad boy? I'll make a couple ring-shaped pieces out of this guy. I'll drill them out. I'll round them up. Let's see what happens. Let's just grab us a hunk off of here. It's pretty good. Let's get us one more. Put that in my pocket. Hey, Zeus, tell everybody out there to like and subscribe. Go on, tell them. Don't worry about the squirrel over there. Get that off my fence there. All right, guys. Okay, let's go in here. Let's cut it off and see what we got. Come on. Ooh, I smell burgers. Zeuser, hey, watch it now. You know you'll get one. Calm down. Let's get it going here, guys. Here we go. I'm gonna go with this one right here. It's a little bit bigger in diameter. I like the bark pattern on it. Let's put it in the vise here. I'm just trying to get a good flat side. Just chuck it up where it's good and secure. You don't want to squish it.
How thick do you want it?
Thickness here, I'm looking for about 5-6 millimeters of thickness. Always be careful. Need some safety glasses? Put them on. I ain't scared. Oh! No, I'm just kidding. Oh! We're having a little issue. Shearing my bark off. Let's change blades. Maybe we can keep our bark where we want it. Life's a journey. You ain't got all the answers. Let's just muddle through it and have fun with it. Okay, okay, now we got these two pieces of wood, little slices, sliced off with the fine bit Sawzall blade. But right now, tonight, we're gonna get on this little piece of slice here. Now, we're going to hollow out the center of it, make us a spot for a finger to go in. Might not be as big as we want right now, but let's get it cast, get it in the metal, and then we can manipulate it however we wish. That looks pretty good. All right, stop, David. Quit messing with it. You just thought, you know, I mean, oh boy. Even in real jewelry making, every time you break a stone, it's just past the point where you should have stopped. So know when to freaking stop. Let's go sprue it up. Come on. Got our wax pen. Let's turn it all the way up. All the way up, hot, all the way down, cold. Let's crank it up. I'm gonna use this 3mm tube wax. Works great for sprueing. Boom. All right, I got the sprue on our sprue base. Now I'm gonna attach it to my wooden ring. Bam, now let's just cut this off with our heat. Chink. And then go all the way around, filling that in, making sure you get good flowage into your sprue. And you create more or less a funnel for the metal to flow into. Looks really good. Now remember, we'll round all this up and even this stuff out. I'm just not wanting to do too much to it. I don't want to mess up with my bark. More of my fingers on it, more I mess it up. Just leave it alone and we'll cast it. Got our investment already. I'm gonna put me a little water in here. Now y'all know I like to mix it by hand. Some people use a spatula. I've seen people pull out something and plug it in the damn wall and rub around in there. That's ridiculous. All right, guys, this is looking good. Thin peanut butter. That's where I like it. Right there. All right, guys, let's get over here and get it in the vacuum cast and do some bubbling action. Let's put our dome on it. Pull some pressure. Come on over here. Look at this. Here we go, guys. Here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes. Here's the good part. Boom! You might not have caught that on camera, but it literally come up about 1.5 inches and then just like poofed out right back down. I'm safe to cut it off. All right, guys, and y'all know I took that down to about 2 or 3 atmospheres to pull out all the bubbles. The water that you use over here, when you're mixing, adds bubbles in it, so you gotta suck that out. Now when we pour this in here, we're gonna create more bubbles. So we're gonna have to debubblize this bad boy again.
Is debubblize a word?
Debubblize is my word. I've been doing this long enough, I can create my own damn word with it. What do you think? Do a little taparoo. Let's top it off don't have to. I just got extra investment here and good and flat. Okay guys, now this got to sit for at least an hour to get good and hard before I can put it in the oven. After I put it in the oven, it's supposed to sit there 6 to 8 hours and you get a good clean cast. Now that's hot. Let's let her cool down a little bit. She's about ready. Let's pull her out of the oven. See what we got. Woo boy, that's hot. We're just gonna let her sit here while we heat up our silver and cool off. That's fine silver right there. Now, let's put some fire to it and make it fluid. Oh, we got the fire alarm going off. You know, I said you never know what's going to happen. Just a second ago, y'all missed the of the hot metal going in the water because of a battery on that goofy little camera right there, okay? But my hand is still in the bucket. We still ain't looked at it, but I found it. So we're gonna pull it out and see what it is. Look at that texture. The little guys, they'll come right off. That ain't no big deal. Okay, we're gonna go over here, slice it off, clean it up, maybe smack it with a hammer a couple times just for the fun of it, and see what we got. Come on, man. I ain't got all night long. Remember, it's late. I'm just kidding. Calm down. I'm just busting your balls. We'll make this simple. We're gonna weld this up, put a little solder in here to stabilize it because it's got some voids, and I don't like the voids. I'd rather it be a little stronger. We'll get our charcoal block.
Why are you using charcoal block?
Using charcoal block just for the fact that it doesn't dissipate the heat off of my piece. Where if I do it on this rock right here, sucks too much of your heat off. So that's why I use my charcoal block for this type of application. Shake, shake, shake. Shake that tree branch. All right, let's put it on a ring stick. Let's smack it a few times. See what size we get down to. Let's round her up. We're gonna take this sanding drum, we're gonna smooth the inside of this bad boy up so you don't cut yourself. Let's put this on the ring stretch. It's called a ring stretcher. I call it a ring manipulator. Here, watch this. Let me speed this up. Wow. Okay, guys. We went out in the backyard earlier and got that stick and turned it into a piece of jewelry for real. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that fun? That's what the funnest thing I think I've done in a while. American made right there. And that was improv right there. Tell you what, guys, it's taken us all day to do this. No big deal. Just the process of it all day long. It's worth doing. Maybe I'll sell a few of these. Probably won't sell this, and I'll probably give it to my wife. Look at my website down below. If y'all want some, let me know. Here we go. Don't burn it up.